Very good morning to all personnel of HRS Group to whom I could not deliver the full episode of Engineers Yoga. Here is, I am trying to communicate to you all the details of Engineers Yoga in part wise. Only because of that, a long video can't be sent to you people. So, I shall going to make it in part wise. Of course, I have already flashed in my YouTube channel Yoga by R.K. Sinha, Master of Jugaad, R.K. Sinha in one block. But here also I am giving it for you people and covering it in all respect for those who have not joined me till now may also be benefited of this. I am not a professional. It is not my professional duty. So it may suffer some mistakes also, some defects also. Either it may be technical or maybe in explanation. Bear with me, but you try to take out the essence of this yoga. You are not going to be benefited only by living on zero medicine, but also you are going to be resonate nutrition forever if you are going to practice it on daily regular basis. And it is my humble request that you all communicate it, demonstrate it after getting mastery over it to your nearest and dearest. I know you will be able to do it better than me, as you people are very young and can achieve the excellence in that and can modify and can explain it in a more better way. And please excuse me for the language if there is any accent problem. I know you people are having a different accent which I don't have. Anyway, without wasting my time and yours also, I'm going to start the first part, that is Mooladhar. Stimulation, the perineum plexus of your control system. The wiring coming from brain is in 12 pairs, and the wiring, or you can say veins of spinal cord, is 31 pairs, and all together with these central nervous system, there are so many peripheral nervous system which are having a great control to and fro motions of informations whatsoever you are or your organs are feeling, right from your skin to the deepermost organ of your body. That is, the sensation is being communicated through sensory organ, through sensory nerves, and a command in motor action also are being governed, given to the concerned department, section, and the individual organ part of your body. So, this Muladhara plexus, if you are doing it nicely and perfectly, it will make you free from all ailments of lower limbs, from the waist to the toe of foot. So just start it. Here I am going to try physically. You see my this stomach portion. If you can, let me adjust the camera. If you are able to visualize the lower abdomen, please see the movement. I am going to contract my anus and releasing it. This is called in yoga Aswani Mudra. So I will do it in frequent manner. Just exhaling the breath in forceful manner. With the help of that, let us start. And make the mudra like this. These two fingers will be attached with your thumb and these will be kept straight. This is called Apan Vayu Mudra. Keep it on your thighs and start. So I will do it for 200 times, and after that I will end it with chanting of Ram and Sita Ram simultaneously. So start it. Ram, 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 Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. Please note it down that you have to make out this Apan Vayu Mudra of your fingers and keep your spine straight like this and keep the chanting on, first concentrating the inner contraction and release with Ram, and after that stressing on Sita. Keep on chanting Sitaram, 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 and after getting it finished, be relaxed, and just after a while you end it with Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom means always start with left nostril, inhale deep, and from right nostril exhale, taking twice at least time of inhaling. Breathe it out. Inhale the breathe from right and exhale from left. It is one cycle. And similar to that, you do it for 5. See it here, right here now. Relax. You might have noticed that there was no movement of the body except the hands in doing all these things. So let us move to the second video, and before opening your eyes after doing this, rub your palm and make it a cup, keep it on your eyes and just lightly you rub it down on your face. So let us start the second part, that is Swadhisthana, Shakti Kendra, Jagran, stimulation of Swadhisthana plexus. So thanks for this part 1. I am going to welcome you in second part with Swadhisthana. Thank you very much.